All about comets. OutSchool 2021. Comets are frozen balls of gas that are trapped in the sun's orbit. Professor Wayne Whipple referred to them as dirty snowballs in 1950, and it's still a useful term to describe them today. Comets were made billions of years ago as icy leftovers from the making of the outer planets like Neptune and Uranus. A comet has three basic parts: the nucleus, the solid part, made mostly of ice crystals and frozen gas as well as rocks, the coma, a hazy cloud of gas around the nucleus, and the two tails, one made of dust and one made of charged particles called ions. Comets often begin in the outskirts of the solar system, like the Kuiper Belt or the Oort cloud, nearly 1 light-year away from the sun. A comet's orbit is larger, longer, and more oblong than a planet or moon, so sometimes a comet doesn't return for years or even centuries. As the comet approaches the sun, solar winds melt part of the nucleus to form the comet's coma and Comets and Christmas are actually interlinked. Dr. Richard Olbasi of the Vatican Observatory has theorized that the Star of Bethlehem might in fact have been a comet. This painting by the Italian painter Giotto puts the same idea front and center. You'll notice in the top right corner, the star is visualized as not a star, but as a comet. This particular comet is modeled after Halleys Comet. This painting was completed in the year 1300, right around the time that Halleys Comet was visible in Giotto's Italy. Halleys Comet is the rare comet which appears pretty consistently. We see it every 76 years, which is why astronomers have been able to observe it for over 1,000 years. This past January, astronomer Comet Leonard discovered a new comet which is set to shine brightest around Christmas of this year, 2021. The point at which a comet gets closest to the sun is called perihelion, and this will also be the point in which Comet Leonard will shine the brightest. So if you see a bright object in the sky on Christmas Eve, it could be Santa's sleigh, or it could be Comet Leonard.